Business operators in Spanish Town, St. Catherine are hoping that increased patrols and security presence in the old capital will curb criminal activities in the town. Anthony Lugg has the details in this report.
A convoy of police and military personnel make their way into Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Friday. The security forces are on a drive to regain control of the space which is being overrun by criminal gangs for quite some time. And in recent weeks, criminals have been wreaking havoc on business operators. Dennis Robotham is president of the St. Catherine Chamber of Commerce.
The business communities are getting a bit skeptical and fearful of what is happening. It is happening on a weekly basis almost, and it is causing people to close earlier than normally.
Business operators in St. Catherine were already feeling the pinch as a result of early closure due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, some doors are being shut earlier because robbers have been rampant. Mr. Robotham says he's been in dialogue with the police.
And I've been assured that they have been hearing and recording the situation. And I've been assured that as of this afternoon, even as we speak possibly, they'll be on the ground in numbers, and strategies have been put in place to deal with the situation.
Meanwhile, the police are reporting that 3 men believed to be members of the bedbug gang based in Spanish Town were taken into custody following a series of operations. One of those persons is a 16-year-old believed to be the leader of the gang. In an interview with our news team, head of operations in the St. Catherine North Police Division, Deputy Superintendent Linroy Edwards, says the police will not be letting up until order is restored in the old capital.
The new management of the St. Catherine North Division will be going all out on a 24-hour basis to take back this place.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.